Today we're gonna be checking out what 385,000 can get you guys here in Fort Worth, Texas. This is gonna be a fully custom home, which is 15 minutes from downtown Fort Worth. I want to start by showing you guys the exterior. All right, so we're gonna start with the exterior. And this is about 15 minutes from Fort Worth, more by the white settlement area. You guys would get to see that this is a modern farm style look. This is gonna be a modern farm style look. Has your cool little front porch here. And let's go in and take a look at it, you guys. So this is gonna be a really nice 8-foot front door. All right, take a look at this, you guys. Really nice entryway. This one's gonna be about 2,000 square feet. It's gonna have 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. So here, we're gonna have a little closet, coat closet. 2 bedrooms are gonna be on this side, and this is gonna be 1 full bath. Take a look at this. Really nice stuff. Guys, this is gonna be a carpet-free home. So pretty much no carpet in this house whatsoever. In this neighborhood, you guys, it has been established already. So what builders are doing in order to keep the close proximity, and this would be bedroom number 2, in order to keep the close proximity, they're buying lots that are vacant or just tearing down older homes and buying something new because some people actually want to be closer. So this is why the reason of why it's on a pre-existing neighborhood. This is bedroom number 3. And here we're gonna have half bath. So it's just the toilet and the sink. A 2-car garage is gonna be on this door. Pretty spacious. A little wider than usual. All right, you guys, but y'all let me know what you guys think about this entry. It's really nice. One of my favorites. This is gonna be the laundry space with some cabinets here. What's on this one? This is more storage. A lot of storage space on this home. And here's the favorite part. Beautiful, beautiful living space. Got the nice kitchen. And for this kitchen, they actually did a lot of upgrades. Waterfall Island, it's usually one of the most costly upgrades. Taking the cabinetry all the way to the top is another costly upgrade as well. With the glass, really nice. Take a look at these. I really love how these are little drawers to put all your cool stuff in there. And this side is gonna be a little bit different. This is gonna be a different color, more of a wood tone color. And you also have your trash drawer here as well, which a lot of ladies usually wanna have right next to the sink. I had a client where she was like, I don't understand why they don't put the drawer right next to the sink and then put the dishwasher there. So whenever she's washing dishes, she can put the trash here and put the dishes there. So it actually makes a lot of sense. And here as well, we're gonna have some more drawers as well. It's gonna be electric. And you're gonna have a nice little pot filler. Really nice stuff. This is gonna be the pantry. Let's see the size of the pantry. Oh, okay. Cool thing about this one, it lights up every time it's open. And then every time it's closed, it doesn't light up, so it turns off completely. We're gonna get a microwave here installed very soon. This is the built-in oven as well. And here you're gonna have a little bit more space to maybe do like a coffee bar. Really good stuff. let's see, this one, it's a pretty tall cabinet, taller than usual. That's where your fridge is gonna go. This is another view from it. Really nice though. Beautiful, beautiful kitchen. And for the price, you guys, this is $385,000. For most of the loans, your minimum down payment could be around $12,000. The backyard still needs a little bit more work, but pretty much is still a decent sized backyard. And yes, so it would be around $12,000 for your down payment. Usually, minimum required income for something like this would have to be around $80,000 combined. So if you and your partner both make $40,000 each, that makes $80,000 combined. You could, in the eyes of the banks, you can qualify for something like this. So take a look at the nice fireplace all the way to the top. Usually a lot of builders are going away from this because it's getting expensive for them, but this builder took it all the way to the top. Take a look at the nice entry, and here again we have a nice kitchen. This is gonna be one of my favorite parts. A lot of million-dollar homes are not doing this, but I'm actually surprised of how much we can get for this price point. Take a look at this primary bedroom all the way to the top. This is about 18-foot high ceilings with a nice wall art and the two pendants. Usually those pendants are really nice whenever you're already laying down and you just need like minimum light and you don't need the big bright light. You can just have those on and turn everything off. I really like those. I'm actually thinking of adding them into my personal home just because of how much I like them. And here we have a cool little barn door that leads us to the shower. Frameless shower door with a nice little bench there. And a lot of space for the soaps there as well. So that's the cool little niche you got there. A lot of space for all the girlies that like to have pretty much all their shampoos. All right, take a look at it. 2 sinks. When I tell you guys that this builder did really nice upgrades to this home, they actually have done really nice upgrades. All right, so this is gonna be the closet space. It's gonna be a pretty good size, decent sized closet space. They did as much as they could with the space. You actually have a lot of hanging space and a lot of built-in shelves. And you got this beautiful mirror right here, which you can actually, like check out your outfits in the morning, take a couple selfies, take a couple pictures, see how it looks, see if it fits, see if it doesn't fit. See, you're probably like, man, well, this one is feeling a little bit bigger. I probably lost some weight, So pretty much that's one of my favorite parts. Usually whenever we post these on short form content, which is like Instagram or TikTok, it tends to do really good because of how much upgrades they're putting into this home. And you guys, if you guys want to come out and want a tour, or you want something similar in other areas, feel free to reach out to us, you guys. We work all around the DFW and we find the best deals. That's the way that we work. We find the best deals, the best monthly payments, the best of everything. Let us know, or you can click the link in my bio to book a free consultation so we can bring you guys out here. I appreciate you guys' time, and we'll stay in touch to the next one.